Hello my babies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for coming, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So today we are going to be looking, SXC was kind enough to send me over these beautiful nail kits that it is called the Lazy Girl series, and right here what I am showing you is the 3-in-1 nail glue. Well, it says gel glue, or it says glue gel. You can use it, it's like a 3-in-1. You can use it for nail glue, you can use it for a base coat, and you can also use it for a slip solution. I love the packaging, and look at that cute little unicorn up there. It does come in a 15 ml, and I did show the price on the screen with this just by itself. This is the one packet, and it comes with the instructions and how to apply the glue gel, how to remove it, and also has their social medias if you would like to get in contact with them or anything, and also you can go on to their website. The consistency of this is really thick, so it will be good to use it as a nail glue. So this next one I am showing you, you do get 2 in this package, and they both are 15 ml. So I mean, they sent me a lot of stuff, and I am so grateful for them. Like I said before, I just want to say thank you so much, SXC Cosmetics. And yeah, look at this, it's so cute. I love the packaging, I love the pink, and you can't go wrong with pink. So here I have 2 kits that I know they look the same. The boxes do look the same. The boxes are so cute. Look at that, the pink with the cute little hearts. I am so in love with that unicorn. And yeah, so this first one that I am showing you, all right, so here are the instructions to the kit, and you also get a tip cutter. You also get a 180 file. You also get XXL coffin tips, and they are in sizes 0 to 11. So these coffin tips, I do like them. The apex is not too deep, and it's really durable. As you will see right here, I was bending it and it just slipped right out of my hand, it just popped right out of my hand. So the quality is really good. I will be doing a nail set with these pretty soon, so stay tuned. And this nail glue is a 3-in-1. They call it glue gel, but you can use it for a base coat, you can use it for a solution and slip solution, and you can also use it for nail glue. All right, so here I'm showing you the mini nail lamp. It has an on and off switch right here. Here's the plug for the plug-in, the USB cord. It does have 4 lights at the top. It also comes with a manual. All right, so the second kit is like a smaller. It doesn't come with the tip cutter, nor it doesn't come with the nail file as well. So this one just comes with a manual, the nail tips, the lamp, and the nail glue. Also, these tips are not 2XL. These are just like the regular size tips, and it is 240 pieces, and they are gel nails. Well, the tips are made with gel, if that makes any sense. So check out this packaging. The packaging is really cute. I love the pink. And here are their social medias if you want to get in contact with them, or if you want to go shopping. There is their web link, their website link. And once again, you do get a manual in here, and these are some nail art gel liners. I have been dying to get some gel art liners, and I finally have some, so let's see what I can do with y'all. Let's see what I can come up with, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so I will be showing you some quick swatches. I won't be swatching all of them on camera. I did do the rest of the swatches off camera, and I will go ahead and let you enjoy. Alright, so here are the rest of the colors on a swatch stick that I did off camera. Alright, so the next package, I was just giving you guys a 360 of the package, and the packaging is very gorgeous. I really love the packaging. The pink, you cannot go wrong with pink. Excuse me, I just sniffed. I'm so sorry, that was kind of loud. And here are the low odor, toxic free, safe for skin, natural reason, and cruelty free. And once again, you do get a manual. And in this little package right here, this is called the gel nail extension kit. You do get 6 pink colors, and you also get a brush, a dust brush, a nail file 100/180, a cuticle cutter, a tip cutter, and you also get a wax pencil along with a cuticle pusher and a nail clipper. You also get some more nail tips. I'm gonna have nail tips for days. Yes, I am. And I will be showing you how these look. They are 0 to 11. It's very durable, very good quality. These are very good quality nail tips. Like I said, they are gel nail tips. So it would be really easy to soak off. And you also get another UV mini nail lamp with the USB cord. And you also get some nail decorations, some rhinestones, and you get 6 colors. These are nude pinks, and I will be showing you these colors and also swatching. So you get a nail glue, you get some cuticle oil. This cuticle oil smells really good. It's not too oily. And here are the gel polishes. I will let you go ahead and watch, and I will be back. I also love how you could tell the difference between the top coat and the matte coat. The top coat is, the bottle is shiny, and the matte coat bottle is matte, which makes perfect sense. So I thought this was really cute how they made one shiny and one matte. So I will have SXC website linked in the description box down below, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below which color was your favorite or which box was your favorite. So right here, and I do show everything on the screen along with the price and the name of the kits that I did receive or that they do have on their website. And look at this nail lamp. Oh my gosh, I thought this nail lamp was just the cutest thing ever. I am so in love with this nail lamp. Okay, it's really gorgeous. They really outdid themselves. It has like it's a little cute little cat paws. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I am taking everything out the box, and this is the bottom part of the lamp, and it has a little paw print. Isn't that, look at that, how cute is that? And it does have a lot of lights. I do like that, so to make sure that everything is pure. It does has an on and off button. It has a 5 seconds, a 30 seconds, and also it has a I didn't see the last one, 60 seconds. I'm sorry, you guys. And it does come with the plug, and I am showing you where the plug goes and all that good stuff. Look at that, so cute. All right, so there it lets you know that it's on, and I am doing the 5 second, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I turned it off so you can see that light. I really like that light because it lets you know when it's on and when it's off. So these are the colors. I did not swatch these colors because the video was already long, so I just will show you the colors. I will be just showing you the colors, but I did not swatch the colors as well. So but after this, that is the end of the video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And like I said before, all the links will be, not all, but their website will be linked in the description box down below. And I will be doing a nail set, so stay tuned for that. And I'll hope to see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also share, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, see ya!